Alright, hello everyone and welcome to the second interactive science workshop. Today we're going to be making a jumping marble. So we're going to be making this little thing here and let's see it in action. Alright, we'll make it first and then we'll explain the science behind it, what is actually going on there. Alright, for this activity you will need the printout, or you can rule up the sheet. If you decide to print it out, I recommend you can do it on paper or on thin cardboard, but I'll show you how to rule it up. If you're going to rule it up, we'll need a pen or pencil, a ruler, and a 20-cent piece. You'll also need some tape and some scissors to cut it out, and some sort of board or book that we can stack and make a little slope for it to roll down like you saw there. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so this is the printed template, you can see there. If you don't have access to a printer, I'm going to show you now how we can rule it up. You can just use some blank paper or thin cardboard. So the measurements, I'll put the measurements on the screen now and we'll leave it up there for a while and you can pause it and get all those measurements. All right, so this is where you'll need your ruler and your pen or pencil, and the 20-cent piece fits perfectly for these curved bits there. So when you rule it up, to get that little semicircle, if you just use the 20-cent piece, you should get a nice perfect semicircle. All right, once you've got that, let's cut it up. Right, so now we're going to assemble our jumping marble. So what we'll do first is we'll fold it along all these lines, except for these ones in the middle here. So like this. Right, so get some tape, and first we're going to do this section here. So put tape on one side and join it up. On there. Now we're going to do one side before we put the marbles in, so we'll get another bit of tape. And try to curve it around like that. Right, now don't close up this side yet. This is why we have our marbles. So we'll put the marbles in. Right, and grab another bit of tape. And tape it up there. And that is ready to roll. Okay, now let's try it out. We'll give it a go and then we'll explain what's actually happening. So if you put it at the top of your slope and let it go, you can see it jumps around all over the place. Alright, so what's actually happening? It's a combination of gravity and the slope that it's on. So gravity is pulling the object down, and as the ball rolls on the inside and hits the side, it is pulling the back of the marble jumper up and throwing it over. So as it's using, that force is known as inertia. So the gravity's pulling the marble down, and as it's rolling through, it's pulling the back up. And it's using that force, that inertia, to keep it going down the slope. And that's how it works. So as an extra bit of fun, you can decorate it, you can paint, you can draw on it, you can attach eyes or little legs and make a little creepy crawly and make it a little bit more fun. Or you could get a friend to make one and you can race them or anything like that. All right, excellent. Okay, join Amy tomorrow for another fun activity. Tomorrow she'll be doing chromatography, and these are the materials you're going to need. Some paper towel, 3 plastic cups, some cold water, a skewer or a pencil, bull clips or sticky tape, and coloured markers. About 3 will do, but as many as you have. All right, see you then.